Done did it again. Y'all watch me rate these snacks from Burlington. I got a lot, so what I'm gonna do to make the video short, I'm gonna just say yes or I'm gonna say no. Is it a yes or is it a no, okay? First order of business, we got sweet potato chips, cheddar and sour cream. Smell like sweet potatoes. Yes. And next we got Reese's peanut butter pie. They smell just like coffee.
You don't like it?
No. Next, paleta payaso. Y'all, fire. I'm gonna say yes already because I done already had these. It's a marshmallow, chocolate covered marshmallow with gummies on it. You ready? Bang. Oh, that one came out cute. Okay. Paleta payaso. Good. I had these already. 10 out of 10. Then we got, yo, y'all seen these Smarties squishies? Never seen squishy Smarties. All right, what's this? Lemon and lime. Lemon and lime. Okay. Cherry and black currant. What's black currant? What's black currant? Orange and pineapple. Burlington. I need to come up with a jingle. Burlington. Burlington. Yes. Moving on. So it's Mexican street corn flavored corn puffs. For me, it's a no. But they're not bad. Try them. This is the almond roca. Y'all seen the rocas I was getting? They got the hot chocolate. Stop playing. And this is so cute. I'm going to let y'all know how that tastes in another video. We got chocolate covered marshmallow hearts. Come in little sleeves. Aww. Let's go. Yes. Is that it? That was it. That was it. Okay, well, that's it, y'all. Y'all, please go to Burlington and get y'all some snacks. Like, I don't see these snacks every day. All right, y'all. I see y'all in another video when I'm trying something else at Burlington. Dang, Burlington, you got my heart. Bye.